What's up, King Fire 88 coming back with another YouTube video. It's been a while. You know? It's been a while. It's been some real shit. So today, we're doing a few things. Let me show you some stuff, then I'll do what the main part of the video is for. So this is one thing I bought yesterday. Star Wars Monopoly. I've been wanting it and pumped about it. Other thing which I'll probably play at some point is this. It's around $6. PS2. Gotta go old school, you know. I wanted to open and show you guys this. And then, if this video gets some likes and some, decent love, I will do a video of showing old pictures of myself. Because I have a ton of them. Now, I could do it tonight. I could do it, a different day when I'm not working. But, I might just do it anyway in another video. I was going to do in this one, but I was like, I want to hype it up more. So, this video gets some love for sure. Otherwise, I might just do it in another video anyway. But I am going to open something. First of all, look at this packaging. You can tell it's a controller. It's not just any old controller. You know, I just showed you the PS2 game. This is the PS2 controller. Go to Games and Go or Gamerheads, and you can get. Speaking of Gamerheads, totally shout out to Gamerheads. Great gaming store and Games and Go. The guy who owns Gamerheads used to work at Games and Go, so there's some love between the two places. But Gamerheads, if you're in Southdale, otherwise Games and Go, Rosedale, and a couple other places. But yeah, definitely check them out. Both places are lit and awesome. So about this, it's a blue. I just like the buttons. Look at how dope those buttons are. Like these ones. So I am pumped to use this. This is gonna be my main PS2 controller. So I just have a GameStop one for my other one, but it is not nearly as nice as this one. So obviously, I can show the GameStop one. It's long enough. This is the GameStop one. So that's the one I was using. But now I have two, so I'm going to use the new one. So, I'm excited about that. So there's that. You saw the game, you saw that. And then this. This is the main thing of the video. I'm opening. So let's get to it. It is a GX box, $20 at Games by James, $20. I was debating if I should get it, and I was like, you know what, I'll get it. This knife actually works. Remember the old gold knife? He got moved out of down here. So he's in my toolbox now, out in the garage. So, this knife I'm using now, I need to replace it or fix it. This is a little loose. So I'm going to decide what I'm going to do, if I'm going to get a few of them, including that one again. Probably. So, let's go. Obviously, I'm going to show the promos. This is definitely going in one of my binders. And then after this, I have to ask my camera to help me with something. Because family. So here's the promo. It's not great shape only because it took me forever to get out of the thing. But yeah, that's it. I'll show you the big version in a second, but I'm gonna put this in my binder. So, and then here's the giant version, which is awesome. So I'm excited. So, that is all the promo stuff. This is the code card. Gonna throw that over there. Okay. For, we got Fates Collide. I'm pumped. Sun and Moon. Breakpoint. And Sun and Moon. So So we're going to open the Lugia. Okay, so we're going to breeze through this. Distraction. Okay, so Finnegan. Sim. Carbank. These are all common, so don't feel bad. Dearly. Bronzer. Reverse is this dude. Another regular ray. This dude. Bent spoon. And Link. A Link thing. Sorry, I'm trying to find where this goes. I found where's Bent Spoon? Come on. Okay, so next is another the other X and Y. Okay, so we're gonna do 3 from the back. Okay, so Great Ball, which I know has a spot. Another Scissor Spirit Link. Weird, pulling cards I've had before. Uncommon, Blitza, Staryu, Electabuzz, Free Seed. The reverse is this dude, and then a common rare Golduck. So another Sun and Moon packs, which are always great. And then after this, I'm gonna clean up my mess and go shower and then go live on Facebook. That's the plan. So that would be entertaining. Lily Pop, I'll do that, and then I'll do the crap. I already saw what it was. This, I'm gonna put it at the back. This chick. I'm gonna rare this dude. Wingo. Snubble. This dude. Zubat. Reverse training. An energy card. And it's a GX of this dude, which is awesome. I don't know where. Another GX. So that means and since these are both the same, so there's another pack. You're pulling some good cards. Also, if you're watching, Pat, hopefully you watch, because I just pulled some good cards. Yeah! Let's keep the funky train going. So, this dude, Rainbow Energy, because you know what's up. This. Also, if any of my friends need commons that I have a ton of, come on over. And I'll hook you up. Eevee, yeah. This dude. The reverse is this guy. And then this. Football Fire Energy. So. Now I'm gonna put. There you go. It's a great ball can go here. I have a ton of them. I'm just looking for the one same image. Okay. So. And then yeah, we're gonna go do some stuff. I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell thingy to bobber to get notifications when I make uploads. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while very much lately. My last update didn't have any sound because I recorded on my phone. I had headphones in. Apparently it didn't record sound. But I still posted it because it was so kind of interesting. So whatever. It's a silent video. Who cares? So I hope you guys like this video and want more of it and keep supporting this playlist of videos of openings I'm doing. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.